A quick rundown for Disneyland Resort in June 2023. With it being June, schools out and the parks are crowded. By noon, Pixar Pals parking structures are already full, forcing guests to park at Mickey Friends parking structure, which is also getting crowded at the time. To add to the crowds, Grad Nites are going to be taking over the parks until mid-June. Special ticket parties needed for the high school graduates at California Adventure at 9 p.m., which also is when the general public is kicked out. Splash Mountain closed on May 30th and immediately walled up to be first and to be Tiana's Bayou Adventure to open in 2024. The French Market Mint Julep Bar is still being worked on to become Tiana's Palace. You can still get beignets at the Hungry Bear restaurant. Progress is still going smoothly at Adventureland Treehouse, which is inspired by the previous incarnation of the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, Swiss Family Robinson movie. At California Adventure, the Pacific Forest is still going under refurbishment to become San Francisco Square, inspired by Big Hero 6. Currently, the Booney's Pacific Wharf Cafe is currently having plenty of exterior work. There's also a new mural above the restrooms, and the Carl Strauss beer cart has been kicked out to become a Baymax meet and greet. Many the attractions were also breaking down in the recent weeks as well, including one was there to go on Monsters Inc. and was no exception. It reopened 45 minutes later. However, there's been so many attraction breakdowns, a lot more in the recent weeks. So just to make sure to be aware if you're planning to visit anytime soon. In downtown Disney, Bendy Express has fully opened to be as a replacement for the Gas Kitchen's quick service restaurant options, with lines going way down the alley. Catal Yuva Bar not have any new exterior construction that's viewable from guest view, but most stuff is going to be interior changes anyway, but also in the bar as well in the middle. But we'll see for that since you have to see from Ballast Point anyways, so we'll do that another time. And then also the construction fence for the former AMC Theater encroaches the downtown Disney Life stage so far into the walkway when the dance circle gets unusually large. It encroaches the walkway for guests passing by going to hotels in downtown Disney parking. That's all for this update. Time to enjoy a monorail departure.